Okay, so that song is playing, and Sherry and I are here working at the table, and I tell her about that there was this girl that I was like, this was like the summer between sixth grade and seventh grade, and we fooled around. I had no idea what to do, but I just liked fingering her vagina, and she had these huge tits that she should not have had, and I had like a boner for 2 days, and it was funny though, because there's a line in the song where they say, "We belong to one another," but we're like they're still singing, and then all of a sudden I'm like, they're cheating, they're cheating, and then of course, growing up in Gilbert, Arizona, I tended to be a little racist and presumptuous, and so I I assumed that only black people cheated. Which is hilarious. I didn't even remember it until I was telling Sherry this story, and then I was like, "Oh my god, I can't believe I thought that," but I did, so it was funny. Anyways, I love you guys. I'm doing some more videos here in a minute. Sherry kind of wants to chill and watch Handmaid's Tale and eat Chinese food, which sounds awesome. But I'm gonna go work and do at least one review and some videos for you guys. I love you. Bye.